Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription. In order to do this, you'll need to head over to your Microsoft account, and to make things easy, we have the link in the description for you to click on in order to be taken directly to this page where you can see subscriptions. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your subscriptions page on your Microsoft 365. And if you have a valid subscription, you see the option to cancel your subscription. In our case, our subscription is over, but in your case, if you're trying to cancel, you definitely see the option. So once you're there, click on cancel subscription, and it might say upgrade or cancel. Now, once you click on the button to upgrade or cancel, you see the option to cancel your subscription finally. However, if you don't see the option to cancel your subscription, but the link says turn on recurring bill, this means that your subscription is already set to expire on the date shown, and you won't be charged after this date, so no further action is required. You can continue with your subscription until it expires. Of course, if indeed you have a recurring subscription and you clicked on the cancel subscription, there will be a review section at the top of the cancel page. This may include details of alternate subscriptions, which could be cheaper. However, you can go ahead, of course, to review the additional information, and at the bottom, you can say, I want to keep my benefits. But of course, if you want to go ahead and cancel your subscription, you can simply click on I don't want my subscription in order to complete the cancellation process. In summary, click on the link. It will take you to this page where you can see the cancel subscription button. Click on it and you'll be able to follow the steps to cancel your subscription. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.